back to my channel. My name is Diana and I want to show you guys my USC sophomore year apartment because I'm gonna miss this place. But also for continuing USC students who are looking for a place to live your sophomore or junior year, definitely recommend Cardinal Gardens. It's the best housing option out there. It's big, it's close to campus. There's a basketball court, a pool table, a fireplace. You don't have to check in gas, which is a plus. Like anybody could just come in. So yeah, let me show you around. Come on in. So this is what it looks like right when you enter. We have the living space, the little dining area, and then the kitchen over here. So the apartment does come fully furnished. Besides the TV and the microwave, I learned that the hard way when I tried to cook something. I forgot I didn't know how to cook and I needed a microwave. Here's our little dining area where we have our delicious meals, and as you can see, there's a big Florida Project poster that's actually signed by the director. This film is directed by one of my roommate's favorite directors, so her boyfriend got her a signed poster by the director, which is just so cute. But this poster is huge. Like, let me stand next to it. Probably is 5 feet. It's probably my height. Moving on, we have our living area. We bought these 2 pillows from Target. They're literally the cutest. We have this sofa here. And we have our TV with some really good YouTube playing, you know. You guys should definitely subscribe if you haven't. Like, watch the new vlog. We also have our heater and our AC over here. Now if we go to the left, we have this random closet, and it's just really storage. It's recycling, and then my mat, cleaning supplies, just random shit. Moving on to the kitchen, we have a gallon of water. This random bowl, I don't know where my roommate got it from. Some toys, these are from like Happy Meals that we always get. And then a little saying, a veces para sonreír hay que llorar. Then we have our kitchen. Here's the sink. You guys, this is my favorite like soap dispenser ever. You press down and soap comes out. Like, it makes washing dishes so fun. Oh, look at our fridge with our gym plan that we never went to. And then USC Slay, you know? Yep. And then we have our pantry over here. We have so many snacks. Some of my favorite cereals. We got Nutella. We got the Trader Joe's cookies. These are bomb. I know like people are gonna be like, oh, you Trader, but like these are healthier, so I'm okay. And then of course Velveeta's. Like, these are the only things that keep me alive during college. Okay. So now from here we're gonna walk this way, and if we come around this corner, so then we have more storage. Here we just have cleaning supplies and more random shit. I don't even know. This is where like we keep our pads, and then iron, and then extra shit. If we go over here, we have the mirror. The lighting here is like so perfect. This is where I do my get ready with me's, my morning routines, my skincare routines. So we have 2 sinks. This is my side. And then here in the bottom we have more storage. This one's a fake one. But here I just have some everyday makeup. And down here I just have more hygiene and hair products. So moving on over here, we have our bathroom, which is just the toilet and the shower. Then to our right, we finally entered the room. We have my roommate's side, and then we have my side, and then we have my desk, her desk, and the closet. So here's my bed, and then we have a bunch of celebrities on the wall because I'm such a fangirl. I have Harry, Lana, Conan Gray, Zayn. This is one of my favorite things about the room. We also got some under the bed storage. I just have my undergarments and my tops and jeans over here. And then here I have like workout clothes, pajamas, and other random shit. So then here's my bookshelf. I have a Harry Styles candle that my roommate gave me, and then a regular candle. I I'm not supposed to light these up, but who's gonna tell me? Then we have my record player. And then down here, we have my records. Some are in the wall, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But I just keep them here in case they fall off. The record doesn't like break. But I'm gonna show you guys my collection. So we have Miss Lana, Ultraviolet. My roommate gave this to me yesterday as a farewell gift, and I love it so much. I've been like wanting to get that one. And then we have When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go by Billie Eilish. My brother-in-law actually gave me Peggy Lee's records with all her best hits. And then we have Evermore by Taylor, Folklore by Taylor, and Midnights by Taylor. Can you tell I'm a Swiftie? And then I have Harry Styles' Harry's House, which just is like the photo book. It also comes with the CD. I don't have a CD player, so maybe in the car. We got more CDs. We got Midnight Memories by One Direction, Made in the AM, Red by Taylor Swift, Lana Del Rey's Paradise, Russ, Shake the Globe I think is what it's called. Yeah. Then we got Fine Line and 1989 Deluxe. This is the one that came with the Polaroids, and I have the Polaroids on that fits. This was actually the first CD I've ever bought. So that's that. And then here I just have random shit and then like filming supplies. Now let's go to my desk. And on this wall I have my Sad Girl Pop vinyls. I have Melanie Martinez, Olivia Rodrigo, Lana, Harry, The Marias, Conan, Billy, and it's just some of my favorite albums of all time. And then I have this jewelry holder that I actually got from Amazon. It'll be linked down below if anyone's interested. But I just like displaying all my earrings, rings, and necklaces. Also, I want to show you guys my roommate's little corner. This is the cutest, like the detail, and look at these little houses. They're so cute. But now we'll go into the closet. I got shoes down there, my laundry. Then we have all my clothes, and then more PJs and blankets on the top. Never in my life did I think I was gonna have a walk-in closet. Gonna miss this. All right, I think that's it. And that was my full apartment. This was my sophomore year apartment, and I leave tomorrow, which is so insane. So stay tuned for that vlog, and I'll see you guys then. Take care. Bye.